So from Mural, you receive notification for different things. And if you want to customize how you receive notifications, then you can go around, click on the user option right here. And then what you can do is you can go around into notifications. So once you do that, what happens is that notification settings opens up. And here you can see that you can work around and then enable or disable comment notification. Let's say, for example, if someone mentions you, then you get notifications right here. So if someone replies to your comment, you get notification there as well. So here you can see that you get the envelope icon. And if anyone comments in any murals you've joined, then you can enable notification for that as well. So there are many notification options which you can enable and disable by using this checkbox right here. And that's it. That is how you can work around with the notification. You don't need to click any other button. So if you were to click back and if such activity happens inside of Mural, then the notification will be sent accordingly. So that is how you can work around with notification settings inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.